Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about a thing that is known for its mountains, monasteries as well as mesmerizing beauty. And this time heat is not from sun, it's from politics. Yeah, you guessed it right. I am talking about Ladakh and the Ladakh issue. Basically Ladakh is known for something apart from bike rides, snowfalls and lakes. It's demanding something like autonomy. Protests are going on, and as well as Ladakhi people are continually urging central government to give them something something to protect their culture as well as their ecosystem. So without wasting any time, let's break it down further and make it easy and understand what is the issue and why the demands are going on and what is the demand basically. Story start in 2019 when central government abrogated Article 370 and bifurcated the Jammu and Kashmir state into two union territories. One is Jammu and Kashmir and another that is Ladakh. And people of Ladakh hoped that this step of central government give direct administrative control to the central government, and directly or indirectly it will bring lot of things for the Ladakh. It may be development projects, it may be welfare schemes for the people and for more things in the future. But things not go as expected. And later they felt something missing, that their cultural, their linguistic things will go also eroded with the people when come from outside. Even they also felt that local industrialists from apart from other states or other part of India will exploit the natural resources in the Ladakh that are already in the shortage, and the people of Ladakh will devoid of these natural resources for their own development, and so many things that they demanded. And to fulfill this demand, two political parties, one is Leh Apex Body and another is Kargil Democratic Alliance. And apart from this, the one very famous character that is Sonam Wangchuk, known for its environmental activities and ecological steps he took in the past as well to preserve the Ladakh. So he is very popular character. So these people lead their delegation to New Delhi as well as they protested. They went on hunger strikes to fulfill their demands, and their demands are very simple. It is like they are demanding for statehood for the Ladakh as well as sixth schedule or inclusion of Ladakh into sixth schedule, and they also want job and land security for the Ladakhi people. They want reservation of Ladakhi in the government jobs. So basically these are the demands, and these demands are continuously negotiated between the central government as well as these parties, but there was no final conclusion. And now we will talk about the recent development that central government what proposed, and for that we have to understand something that is also very important for you, that what is these demands and what is the why behind all these demands. Demand is statehood for Ladakh. Then why so? This demand is to fulfill their legislative power. Basically whenever there is the tag of state to any particular constituency, they have their own legislative as well as they have their representation in making the rules and regulation for the particular territory. So they are demanding for that, but it is a union territory and their representation in the law manufacturing or law making is also very minimal as today or as present. So first demand, and two, the why behind the demand. And the second demand is sixth schedule. Why they are focusing or particular demanding to include the Ladakh into the sixth schedule? To understand the sixth schedule, we have to move in India's northeast part, in which Assam, Tripura, Manipur and Mizoram. These are the states which have that sixth schedule rights, and in that they have the autonomic district councils. Autonomic district councils simply are the councils that represent the entire represent the people of that particular area. They can make the rules, they can execute rules, they have their own judiciary, they can collect taxes as well as preserve their culture, linguistic rights, and so many things. And no direct intervention of state is possible unless the higher authorities means president not permit. So it goes like that. And the same thing demanded by the Ladakhi people. Instead of that, central government has said that we will provide you the fifth schedule, but there they are just stuck on the one thing, that is sixth schedule. And then last one, that is job and land security. As I think there is no need to explain the why behind why they are demanding reservation and land security. Basically, they want to protect their rights, they want to protect their land from exploitation. That's the only way, and that's the only why behind the third one or the third demand. Now, to understand more, let's understand what government had provided them recently. It was in news, and that's why I am discussing here. So, government provided them the Ladakh Civil Service Decentralization and Recruitment Amendment, means Regulation 2025. Basically, this will give the domicile to the people who have lived in Ladakh for more than 15 years, and the central employees who have worked for 10 years, who has a person who also studied in class 10th and 12th. So these people will be eligible for the application of domicile of Ladakh, and that will give them the job reservation as well as the purchase, or they can sell the land. Apart from this, the second one is Ladakh Civil Service and Domicile Certificate. That is also similar. Here Tehsildar will be provided with the rights and regulation to give the domicile. And the next one is Union Territory of Ladakh Reservation Regulation. Basically, in this regulation of central government that provided the reservation to the Ladakhi people in the all central government jobs, or especially the area means Ladakh, or the jobs that are created in the Ladakh. And another is language. This is to save the language, in which two languages names Bhuti and Purgi, that is popularly spoken or popularly people speak there. So to protect this, central government also make rules and regulation for that. Apart from this, the central government also provided Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council, Regulation 2025. In this, there will be no direct formation of committee, but they are saying that women will be also representing the Autonomous District Council. So that's the thing by the central government. And now we will see further that how things will unfold, and we have to keep update ourselves with the news. But the people are not satisfied with the rules and regulation made by the central government. They want something more, and we will see in future that how the negotiation and what government provide to them. I think you have understand the things in a clear way and learn something new from my video. So share and like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Jai Hind.